Hello Orbit friends. Welcome to Application of Logical Reasoning and Problem Solving and Critical Thinking training. It's important when you enter the workplace to have logical reasoning skills. This could help you in determining the best option for a problem-solving strategy. These abilities can be used in many different contexts, such as customer relationship management and conflict resolution. Logical reasoning empowers you to apply a logical approach to decision-making in the workplace. Even if a decision doesn't yield the desired outcome, you can articulate the rationale behind it. This is achievable because logical reasoning's structured premises facilitate a comprehensive understanding and elaboration of problems. The capacity for logical reasoning holds immense value for organizations, as proactive and assertive employees who possess this skill are highly prized by most companies. The ability to logical thinking allows you to provide well-considered solutions to any challenges that may arise and equips you to make sound decisions. To cultivate this skill, it's essential to refine the following abilities. Critical thinking skills. These skills can improve your problem-solving skills, making you an employee capable of identifying and addressing crises effectively. Your colleagues can rely on your rational approach when confronted with challenges. Research skills. You can search and find data that can be useful when presenting information on a subject of your choice. The more relevant the information you have about a particular subject, the more accurate your conclusions will be. The source used must also be reputable and relevant. For this reason, your ability to find information will affect how well you can reason logically. Creative thinking skills. You can brainstorm ideas in determining potential solutions. Although logical thinking is based on data and facts, you can creatively find ways to derive data sources so as to form logical conclusions. Strategic thinking skills will also help you to analyze reactions or gather feedback. Mathematical skills. Business is a numbers game. That means you need to have some knowledge of mathematics. Therefore, you should be able to perform basic math tasks that involve addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, etc. So, to be a logical thinker, you need to be comfortable working with numbers. Reading skills. This skill is useful for understanding a series of work-related statements that can be part of your company's policies, technical manuals, etc. Active listening skills. This is part of the communication skills that are important to have, because not all instructions are written. You may need to listen to someone to get the information you need to solve the problem before writing it down. In this case, active listening skills will determine how well you can remember information so that you can use it to explain things logically. Information sorting skills. Different organizations have different business processes. The workflow in one organization will not be the same as another organization, even if both are from the same industry. If you follow the wrong order, then no matter how good the problem-solving technique is, your conclusion may be wrong. By using a combination of the 7 skills which mentioned before, you can solve complex issues that occurred in your company. Here is an example of a situation on the job that can illustrate how logical reasoning skills can be used to solve complex issues. The marketing director of XYZ Biscuit Company is planning to step down within the next 3 months. Prior to considering external recruitment for the position, the CEO has instructed the Human Resources Department to identify potential internal candidates, specifically exploring the possibility of promoting one of the brand managers within the company to the role of marketing director. Recently, some of the company's products have entered a declining phase, necessitating the development of a fresh marketing strategy to boost sales. In order to select the most suitable candidate for the marketing director role, the HR department has outlined specific criteria. The ideal candidate should not only possess marketing expertise, but also demonstrate a deep understanding of the company's products. Additionally, they must be capable of devising and executing effective marketing strategies, as well as adept at coordinating and negotiating with both internal and external stakeholders involved in the marketing initiatives. Therefore, the HR department has devised a selection process that hinges on substantiating a candidate's marketing project management capabilities, especially in relation to the specific product in question, before appointing them as the marketing director. To find the right person to occupy the position of marketing director, each candidate must prepare a presentation containing the formulation of the marketing strategy of the product in question, the marketing costs needed, and this project involves a team of 5 people. The strategy built must be complete and thorough, including considering the potential risk of failure. Whoever leads the winning team will get the position of marketing director. The team's winnings are judged based on the number of orders obtained for the product for the coming 3-month period. Such case examples show the logical conclusions reached by the HR department in company XYZ. In this regard, the HR department has used logical thinking to determine the best internal candidate for the position of marketing director. Premise 1. People with excellent marketing strategy and project management skills and producing a winning team will make great marketing directors. Premise 2. Candidate A is an excellent leader who has produced a winning team. Conclusion: Candidate A would make a great marketing director. That is the discussion about the application of logical reasoning in problem solving and critical thinking in the workplace. You can learn more in-depth discussion about this training in the available reading material. Inspirational greetings. Good luck is always with you, and thank you.